We're sucking helium.
Hi, my name is Peyton.
Let me try some. Mom.
Hi.
No.
It wore off.
Hi. It's not working.
You gotta suck more.
Okay, Mom. Tell me. Okay. Hi. Oh.
Hi.
Hello?
More.
Hello?
Need
Oh my God.
more.
Hi. Mommy. Hi.
Breathe it in.
Hi.
No,
It's
you
not
gotta
working.
like breathe it.
Hi.
Don't let it come out.
Hi. Oh my God.
Hello? Wait, did it change? Oh my God, it changed. Oh my God, it changed.
Come on, you.
Oh my God. Oh,
Hi.
wait, did it wear off? It wore off. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah.
Hi. The cameraman is filming this right now. Oh my God.
Hello. Perfect.
This is the most weirdest thing ever. Right, Maddie?
It feels weird.
Maddie, get
Like
a
we're just
balloon.
sucking air.
Maddie,
Yeah, it's just like.
Maddie, get a balloon from here for me, please.
Not right now. Hold on. Let me suck some more. Yes. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Helium.
Helium makes your breath do that?
Oh my God. Oh, she's over there on the couch. She does not feel good. Apparently. Jeez. Okay. I cut to when he's about to do it. Suck it in.
Hi.
Okay, wore off.
Suck it some more.
Hi.
Say, my name is Dylan.
My name is Dylan.
Okay, suck in some more and then say that.
Hi. My name is Hi, my name is Maddie. Hi. Hi, my name is Dylan. Hi, my name is Peyton. I hate the camera. Hi, my name is Dylan. Hi. Mom, that's funny. Mom,
I
didn't pause it.
I love this.
Throw this away.
It was fun.
Mom, there's 2 more balloons. This for us. I want one. I want the pink.
Let me suck the helium out of this.
I want the blue one. I want the blue
Let's
one
take a
too.
break, okay?
Okay, just so we don't pass out. Hello, guys. We're taking a break.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like a Snapchat filter voice changer. This is so weird.
Snapchat filter still. What's up? Mom, do that. How does it do that?
Hi, my name is Dylan and I am 5 years old and I am in preschool.
Suck the rest of it.
Maddie, no.
I can't suck the rest of it. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. Okay, let me suck the rest of it out.
I think you're done.
Yep, I'm done.
And
Okay, that was it for helium.